Australia. Home of long beaches, strange-looking animals, top-class sportsmen, and Dave. He's an electrician running his own business. He's been in the game a while now, doing what he can to build his business. But he has a big problem. There's just not enough Dave to go around. Dave's a busy bloke with a small team. He loves being on the tools, but lately he's been stuck doing stuff he doesn't have time for, like bookkeeping. Well, he's got someone for that. She's a star, but there's only so much she can do. There's heaps to keep on top of, and when work comes in, Dave needs new staff. He needs quality staff, well-trained and trustworthy. Dave likes taking on apprentices, but it's a hassle because he has to take care of induction and arrange safety training, tools and uniforms. Then he's got to organise payroll, tax, super, work cover, college training, enrolments, government contracts and 1,000 other things. His mates are in the same boat. Too much admin, not enough action. They just want to get on with it. Dave's trying to grow his business, but the business gets in the way. He needs flexibility and wants to be ready for work as it comes in. So what's he going to do? Easy. Join NECA. NECA is the peak body for the electrical and communications industry. NECA has offices across Australia and employs specialised staff with local knowledge. No matter where you're located, NECA can help. NECA's been around in one form or another since the 1920s, when some smart blokes joined together to protect themselves from the bigwigs of the time. Governments, trade unions, building companies, and a ton of red tape. Getting together worked. Almost 90 years later, there's over 5,000 members Australia-wide. They're a united front. But how does that help Dave? When Dave becomes a NECA member, he gets access to everything they offer, at mates' rates. If Dave needs advice, he's got it. If he needs representation in a sticky situation, he's got that too. NECA was built on one simple idea: to look after their own. Being a NECA member is like having a team of best mates, ready to share the load. There'll be a mate who looks after contracts, a mate to do hiring, a mate providing the latest safety advice, one to provide the latest information on legislation changes and other technical stuff, a mate who will listen to Dave and speak up for him and give him a voice, and someone to help with industrial relations issues. NECA provides all of that, but if that's not enough, when Dave needs a quality apprentice, his mates at NECA are the guys to call. NECA has a group training arm which hires out and manages apprentices to host employees, like Dave. They've got over 2,000 apprentices on their books, Australia-wide. And NECA has training facilities that train thousands of apprentices and offers post-trade training to licensed electricians and contractors. There's more. NECA members have access to more benefits than you could poke a stick at. We're talking good things that help Dave's business, like fuel cards, mobile phone discounts, help with insurance, big savings on vehicles, and benefits for Dave's family. Heaps more benefits and discounts are available to Dave and other members like him. It doesn't matter if Dave's a big operation with thousands of employees, or if he's just one man with a van. Once he's part of NECA, he gets the same benefits as everyone else. For Dave, he can sleep at night knowing that he's got the help he needs to grow his business. And in Dave's case, he gets this for less than a couple of dollars a day. Problem solved. NECA, your complete electrical and communications industry service.